Are outdated SEO strategies holding your website back? You're not alone. Many business owners are still relying on techniques that worked 5 or even 10 years ago. But the digital world has moved on. If your traffic is stalling or your rankings are slipping, it might be time for a serious update. In 2025, the SEO landscape has evolved. Faster algorithms, smarter search engines, and a user-first approach are now the norm. What worked in the past could now be hurting your visibility, yet some myths just won't die. From keyword stuffing to shady backlink schemes, these outdated ideas are still floating around, and they're doing more harm than good. We're about to debunk the most dangerous SEO myths that are actively killing your rankings. It's time to separate fact from fiction and take control of your digital presence. These outdated tactics some gurus still preach, they're not just ineffective, they can actually trigger penalties from search engines, pushing your site further down the results page. So if you're ready to stop following bad advice and start climbing the rankings the right way, let's dive in. Keyword stuffing is about as effective today as using a floppy disk to stream Netflix. It's like putting a screen door on a submarine. Completely useless and bound to sink your SEO efforts. Gone are the days when you could just jam the same keyword into every sentence and expect to rank. Google's algorithms have evolved. They now understand context, intent, and the natural flow of language. Instead of stuffing, focus on using semantic keywords, related terms that support your topic organically. Write like a human, not a robot. Your content should solve real problems and provide genuine value. That's how you build trust, grow your audience, and win in 2025 and beyond. Backlinks matter a lot, in fact. They're one of the strongest signal search engines used to determine your site's authority and relevance. But only if they're high quality. A single backlink from a respected, relevant site can do more for your rankings than dozens of low-quality ones. 10 links from trusted sources beat 100 from spammy sites. Search engines are smarter now. They can tell the difference. So how do you earn those valuable links? Start by creating content that's genuinely useful, insightful, or entertaining, something people naturally want to share and reference. Collaborate with others in your industry, contribute guest posts to reputable blogs, and build real relationships, not just link exchanges. Speak at events, get interviewed, and become a go-to expert in your niche. Authority attracts attention and links. That's how you build a backlink profile that actually works, by earning trust, not chasing shortcuts. Posting daily, not necessary. One in-depth, valuable post a week beats 7 fluff pieces. Focus on evergreen content that stays relevant over time. Quality over quantity, always. Longer doesn't mean better. Google wants content that satisfies search intent, no more, no less. If you can deliver value in 1,000 words, do it. Just make every word count. Google doesn't penalize AI-generated content, it penalizes bad content. Use AI to brainstorm, draft, or research, but always add your unique voice. Quality and originality still reign supreme. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. SEO isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Google updates, competitors evolve, and your audience changes. Regularly audit, adapt, and optimize. Stay current with trends and best practices. SEO is a journey, not a destination. Meta tags still matter, especially for click-through rates. Your title and description are your first impression in search results. Make them compelling, accurate, and keyword-rich, but natural. Better CTR =, better rankings. We live in a mobile-first world, and Google knows it. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're losing rankings and users. Make it responsive, fast, and easy to navigate. Mobile UX is critical. Happy users =, higher rankings. HTTPS isn't optional anymore. It's essential. It protects user data and builds trust. Google uses it as a ranking factor. If your site isn't secure, you're falling behind. Make the switch now. Google's big, but it's not the only game in town. Optimize for Bing, DuckDuckGo, YouTube, and even Pinterest. Think about where your audience searches, not just what they search. SEO is about visibility everywhere. Those are the top SEO myths to leave behind in 2025. No shortcuts, just smart strategic work. Stay informed, stay flexible, and lead with value. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone still stuck in 2010 SEO. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve.